Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to take a screenshot in Windows 11. So there are two methods to take a screenshot. One is the snipping tool. In order to go to snipping tool, go to the search option and search snipping tool. So you will see here the app. So this is the dialog box of the snipping tool. On the top you will see different modes here: rectangular mode, window mode, full screen mode and freeform mode. So let's try all this mode. To initiate this snipping tool, we should press Windows plus Shift plus S. So you will see a node appearing on my top of the screen. So this is the rectangular snip. So I am taking right now a screenshot of Google. Okay, this is my snip. Click on that and you can save this picture on the top right, save as file, and you will see you can also change the file type as JPEG and GIF, PNG. Let it be PNG. Going to save it and let's try out a new one, freeform snip. So you can, in freeform snip, you can draw whatever you want and your drawn image will be the screenshot. And on the Windows snip, the tab only will be displayed. On the full screen snip, you will see the screenshot of your desktop. This is the way to use the snipping tool. And the second method is using your keyboard, Windows key plus print screen, which will take the screenshot and save in your screenshot folder. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.